Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you need to find the fuse for the driver's side left window, guys, okay, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses, guys, because sometimes you may end up spending quite a bit of money on fixing a problem that doesn't exist. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything, guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be, guys, taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. We'll, guys, demonstrate here on that Ford Mustang. I'm going to go ahead, open the hood, support it. Okay, let us show you where the fuse will be now. Okay, perfect, just like that. If you guys have problems with the front left window not working, okay, we'll have a special video that explains on our channels, that explains why window does not work. But first thing, always check your fuse, guys, for the window. That will be the first thing, okay, that we'll recommend to do. So what we'll do now, we're going to go ahead and open the hood. When you open the hood in your Mustang, you're going to come right here. This is the fuse box. Let me show you now. Right here you have that notch. You're going to press down, pull slowly up. It comes like that. Now the wires might be in the way a little bit, so be careful. Right here, guys, you have the fuse box, the fuses and the numbers corresponding to what we have specifically here. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So the fuse, guys, that we'll need to check is known as fuse number 11, and if you look, that will be a small fuse. It will be that fuse on the right corner in that small fuse box. So if you come right here, it will be that special little 30 amp fuse. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy one from. You can see it's really hard to see if it's burned. Always test them, guys, so you don't waste your money. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.